Good morning, everybody. It is Friday. I am up before the sun. Well, the sun is now starting to rise, but I got up at 6:15 today, which if you know me, you know that is an accomplishment in itself. So this video is kind of it's gonna be vlog style, but it's my mental health check-in from my January goal. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check out this video because I explain why I don't like New Year's resolutions, why I think they're so dumb, and what I'm doing instead this year. So this video, I'm gonna give you an update on how January went for me. Spoiler alert, not great. But then I'm going to talk about how I'm going to reframe that and what I'm going to do in February. But first, I'm going to go walk. Not outside, but I'll explain everything when I get back. I want to go before because I still have my work day to do. So I want to go so that I have enough time to get ready for work, and then I will explain at some point today everything that I'm thinking. Let's go do some walking. I've got that great Friday energy, where you wake up and you're like, today's gonna be so productive and I'm gonna get so much done and I feel positive about life. So I'm hoping to keep that Friday energy all day because I'm easily sent back to Monday energy pretty quickly. So we're gonna keep this Friday energy. We're gonna be productive. We're gonna go walk. We're gonna make our bed. We're gonna eat breakfast. It's gonna be a day. You guys, it's been so long since I've exercised that I lost my shoes, my tennis shoes. And then I remembered, oh, they're in your car from this summer when you helped your brother build his retaining wall. That should give you a little insight as to where I'm at workout wise. Anyways, let's go get my shoes from my car. And it's 25 degrees out. So, it's closed. The fitness room is closed. So my dreams are dashed. I tried to sign up for an appointment when I got there, and they don't even open until 9. Because you have to show it to a front desk person and they don't get in until 9. And that's after my workday has started. So, we're not gonna lose this Friday energy, and I'm gonna go. We have some trash we need to take out, but it's a long walk. I mean, it's not that long. I'm gonna take some trash out while Grant is gone, and that will be my walk for the day. But anyways, this would happen to me as soon as I get some energy and motivation. But here's the sunrise, so that's nice. Let's go get some trash. Okay, finished taking the trash and the recycling. I'm in my car because I ended up driving because it was gonna be way too many trips to the dumpster and the recycling can. So, but I still did quite a few trips up and down my stairs, so I feel good. Definitely got in my 15 minutes. I think it's been 30 minutes. Anyways, I am gonna go in and shower, get ready for my work day. If I have a little bit of time before, I will tell y'all what my plan was for February, but now I guess I've got to rework that given the whole gym situation and that I can't go early in the morning now. So I'll think about that while I'm getting ready for work today, and I may not have a plan, but I will tell you what my plan was going to be, and then maybe y'all can help me come up with a solution if I don't think of one in the next hour while I'm getting ready for work. Okay. It's still going to be a good day. We're still going to keep that Friday energy. We're going to get ready. We're going to make coffee. Let's go. Work day is officially over. Friday afternoon. Still feeling good. I hear Mochi being naughty. 1 second. All right, so the whole purpose of this video, recap what happened in January with my goal and how I'm gonna move forward into February. My goal for January was to walk outside 5 times a week for 15 minutes a day. Seems like an easy task. Unfortunately, I did not meet that goal. In fact, I don't know if I even walked outside 10 different days for 15 minutes. The old me, I think, would have been like, typical, you failed, you set a goal, you didn't reach it, you suck. And that would have been the end of the story. And I would have just gone on with my life. I would have felt guilty for like maybe a day. And then I would have gotten over it. Then I wouldn't have had any character development, no improvement. I want to really work to change that. It is okay that I didn't reach that goal. I am a little bit disappointed, but it's okay to be disappointed and upset about something and still be able to like move forward. So I'm not going to sit and wallow in this. I'm going to acknowledge that should have been easy and it wasn't. So therefore, I'm going to continue with this goal, but I'm just going to change it a little bit. So that is why I don't do a whole New Year's resolution. That's why I'm excited I'm taking this month by month. January, not great. February, a chance to improve. And as you saw from this earlier in the video, I had big goals for today and they were dashed pretty quickly, but I'm not letting that stop me. I've been thinking about it since then. And when I think about why I failed, I think the biggest barrier, one, is that I convinced myself I don't have enough time, even though I absolutely do. I'm just not good at time management. Okay, so that's one issue, is like I gotta work on my time management to make time for this. Two is I would always leave it till the end of the day, and by the end of the day I'm tired and it's freezing here, so I don't want to go outside when it's at nighttime when it's really cold. I don't want to change, I just want to put on pajamas. I'm just really good at coming up with excuses, and there were a lot of excuses always at the end of the day. So knowing those two things, as of 7 a.m. this morning, what I really wanted my goal to be was to walk, to continue to try to work towards that goal, and do between 15 and 30 minutes of walking a day on the treadmill at our gym, and read while I do it as a motivating factor, because I love to read and I haven't been making time for myself to read. So I thought, 2 birds, 1 stone, I'll read while I'm walking, and I'll do it on the treadmill so I can be warm. Like, what's my excuse that it's cold? Well, as you all saw, that can't happen. So I think I just need to get over the cold. I'm gonna have to walk outside, which is fine. It's good for me that I need to do that, but I'm gonna try and force myself to do it in the mornings and not in the evenings. We will see how that goes, because I've convinced myself that I'm a night person, but I think I like that because that's just the routine I've let myself be in. So I'm going to challenge myself to change my routine a little bit and try to walk in the morning. We'll see. I'm gonna try. I love the idea of being a morning person. Lately, my mantra, like the thing I just keep thinking and telling myself, is like, am I gonna waste my one life wishing I was something else? If I want to be that person, I'm the only one stopping myself from doing that. And I am really comfortable with mediocrity. I'm really comfortable with just like chilling and not challenging myself, but I'm really trying to change that perspective. Now that I've started YouTube and I'm loving it, I just keep wishing I had started 5 years ago. Like I wanted to 5 years ago. I was just too scared, and I don't know why. And I don't want to keep waiting for me to not be scared to do things anymore. February for me, I'm hoping, is a goal of challenging myself to do the things I want to do that I'm scared to do, which is the whole reason I created this YouTube channel, was to encourage other people to do that too. I think that's all for this month's check-in, for January's check-in. If you had a goal in January, let me know how it went. I really would love to know if you're keeping that goal for February, if you're totally picking a new one for February. Where are you at? How is your mental health right now? Thank you for watching this, if you made it this far, and for all your support and encouragement, not only with YouTube, but just in general. If you're one of my people in my life, I just am so thankful for you. I'm glad that you are supporting me here too. So you all are the best, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.